Yes, people have been facing a lot of problems when it comes to change, to find change. We have seen this mainly in traders, among vegetable sellers and wholesalers in various markets of Mumbai. While they are saying that they are okay with the step, that perhaps it will weed out corruption and black money. However, the problems that they have been facing because of the 2000 rupee currency notes are humongous. We have seen that the retailers in Mumbai, vegetable sellers, have warmed up to using online payment options or digital payment options, paying through their mobiles. We have also seen other small retailers such as pan shop owners, cigarette shop owners. They have also been warming up to Paytm. However, they are continuing to face a lot of problem with people who are not really open to using digital payment as an option or to use mobile payments. We are here in a market in Andheri East near the station, and we have seen a few people who have started using Paytm as an alternative to using cash. This is a lottery stall which has been commissioned by the state government, and let's get to know from these people what exactly has been the response of the people when it comes to buying lotteries. Let's get to know from them what exactly the status of their business. मैम, आप बताएंगे आपका ये जो अभी बिजनेस है, आपका जो बिजनेस है वो उसमें क्या फ़र्क पड़ा डिमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद?
इसके अंदर जो फ़र्क पड़ा है वो 500 का नोट बंद होने की वजह से और 1000 का नोट बंद होने की वजह से ग्राहक के ऊपर तो पुरानी नोट ही चलती थी। जब तक चालू था लेने का नोट तब तक हम लोग लेते थे, और जब वो बंद कर दिया अकाउंट में डालो और ये करो, तब से लॉटरी व्यवसाय, कोई भी व्यवसाय के अंदर फ़र्क पड़ा ही है।
अच्छा, तो आपका बिजनेस कितना कम हुआ?
बिजनेस तो स्टार्टिंग में जब भी बंद किया तभी तो जब तक लेते थे तब तक ठीक था, उसके बाद में समझो ना 100% में तो 40% तो बिजनेस के ऊपर असर हुआ ही।
40%. So here we have 40% decrease in the business of even buying lotteries. So people do not have the change available to buy lotteries from stalls which have been commissioned by the government. Remember that these people work on a commission from the government. So the more the lotteries they sell, the more their commission is. So with a 40% decrease in the business, their income also decreases by that very percentage.